What you talking about, huh? Ooh, bless you. Ooh, bless you. You talking to yourself over there? Yeah. What do you think about it? Has it been a good day so far? Yeah. Went for a run this morning, didn't you? Fell asleep again? You're feeling good because guess how many hours you slept last night? 9.5 hours. Oh, that was wonderful. You feel good about that? Me too. 9.5 hours straight, babe. 6 weeks old. I'll take it. Can we do that again tonight? What do you think?